Hey, what up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the ADX FIREFIGHT WMK05. Now this is a compact mechanical keyboard. It's a wireless model. And what can I say? I really like this keyboard, or the look of it to be precise. There wasn't many reviews online about this, so I thought, okay, I'm going to sacrifice myself and my budget on this particular keyboard. Now it says RGB lighting. I'm hoping that it's not just a multicolored rainbow thing on it. I'm hoping I can actually set these up as you like. Now it says that these have red switches. I think it said something else online. I can't remember exactly what it said, but it's something along those lines of them being red. But nevertheless, let's check it out. So, inside the packaging, you've got another box. Surprise, surprise. This box is very clean, as you can see. It does have slight dent there. Hopefully the keyboard's fine. Right, so that's what the keyboard looks like. The keys feel pretty okay actually. So you got your wireless dongle here. I don't think, unfortunately, that's a functioning USB port, although, do you know what, I could be wrong here. I guess we have to find out. The keyboard actually feels pretty heavy. It's not, I wouldn't say it's a top of the range design. I mean, it cost me about $49.99. But yeah, inside you've got a little instruction manual and software. I was pretty worried, I must admit. In the past, when I bought a keyboard from ADX, they came with well, actually, to be fair, I can't remember if that was a master keyboard. Nevertheless, it came with a little CD, and unfortunately I didn't actually have a CD drive on my PC, so I had to go to work and actually copy the program on the CD. Nevertheless, that's the way it is. So looking a little bit closer at the keyboard, let's just take off one of the keys. That's what the key would look like. Now, online it stated that you could get around 10 hours of use out of this on a single charge, which I suppose is reasonable. What I am really surprised to see is USB-C. That is absolutely perfect, because my mouse, obviously the Logitech MX Master 3, is also USB-C, so essentially I can just have a single cable running down my desk. I know it's a bit unorganized at the moment, and I'm still in the middle of setting all of this up properly, and I might move it, to be fair. I'm not too sure at the moment. Anyway, this cable looks pretty cool that comes with it. It's a nice braided cable. It looks gold actually, yeah, it is pretty nice. Obviously the cable on this you can indeed change. So in terms of the noise the switches make, if you're if you're wanting to find out, I'm going to put my mic right. I put my mic and actually tapped something properly, to be fair. So yeah, that's how the keys actually sound. Now I'm hoping this thing is charged so I can just connect it to my computer. Yeah, and we're also going to have a go at downloading the software for this. The box obviously contains nothing else of interest. I must admit, I absolutely love the packaging on this. It's literally my favorite color as well. Love a bit of orange. So let's have a look. I'm going to plug the key in. I'm going to go to this website. Yeah, so it's downloads.adxgaming.com. And I'm having a look here. I'm not sure what this thing does yet. Right, so that's the website. Now what? You are joking me. WMK05. No way. So there's no software for this. Let's have a look. Here, RGB lighting. Looks like there's no software for this. Why couldn't they just include this in a box? Oh, I see. So that twisty thing here, that's your volume control, which is pretty handy. I like that. Ooh, this is pretty cool as well. So when you select your caps lock, it actually turns a different color. I like that. Let's see if it does it when it's, and even does it when it's off. That's awesome. But yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. Unfortunately, I was hoping to find software out for this, but obviously there isn't any. But the keyboard itself does feel pretty nice. Yeah, so that's just about it for this video. Thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Till next time, ta-ra! You,